Pixie is digging in my purse.
That's fine. Is there a confirmation number?
She's going shopping. Pixie, what are you doing?
Well, Samantha, who was that out there?
Dexter. Pixie. Hey. It's not funny if you don't do it anymore.
Oh. Okay.
That was good.
Okay. Thank you. Hey.
Mom needs another beer.
You missed all the good stuff.
I don't know. We're getting...
Push up. Push up.
Do you want to be on film too? Pixie, get out of my purse.
Excuse me? You're lucky I didn't have to try out my next lines.